So mga katita, here's our ingredients for our almond flour pancake. First, we need 3/4 cup of almond flour, 4 fresh egg in room temperature, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of stevia, also vanilla essence, and cinnamon powder. Mga katita, ang ating almond flour pancake is very simple and easy to make. We only need to combine all the ingredients in a blender jug. So, ano pa inaantay natin? Let's prepare and cook our almond flour pancake. Katita, we'll start to cook our pancake. Naglagay na ako ng unsalted butter. By the way, mga katita, I forgot. Kailangan pala nating i-rest ang ating pancake batter for 10 minutes. Kasi kailangan ng ating flour na mag-relax din. And also, yun ang nagbibigay ng fluffiness sa ating pancake. We can cook our pancake between 1 to 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes pwede na nating i-flip the other side. So yan, nanonotice na natin na nagbabubbles ang ating pancake. Healthy tips mga katitas: ang almond flour is rich in monosaturated fats na nag-aids to lower down our cholesterol level. Before, sinabi ko sa ating low carb lugaw, pag mababa ang iyong cholesterol level, mababa rin ang ating risk para magkaroon tayo ng sakit sa puso. And also, yung ating vanilla and cinnamon, hindi lang siya nagbibigay ng aroma or nag-enhance ng flavor sa ating pancake. Meron din silang benefits. Both of vanilla and cinnamon has antioxidants, and it aids also para bumaba ang ating blood sugar level. So, I hope mga katita, itatry nyo na iluto itong ating almond flour pancake dahil hindi lang siya easy, simple, but also healthy. Mga katitas, here is our fluffy low carb almond flour pancake. I added some of strawberries and blueberries together with some butter, and I also put maple low carb syrup. Masarap din siya together with teas. So I prefer green tea with lemon. Pwede rin naman siya sa black coffee and hot chocolate, unsweetened hot chocolate. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Have a blessed day mga katitas!